How to view sensitive content on Twitter. So go ahead and open any browser and type twitter.com. So go ahead and press on this login button. So once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Go ahead and go to Settings and Support at the very bottom, and then click on Settings and Privacy. So go ahead and go to Privacy and Safety at the middle of your screen, and then go to Content You See at the third option. So you can see that display media that may contain sensitive content is not ticked on, so go ahead and tick that on. Also go to Search Settings right here and make sure that this Hide Sensitive Content is turned off, and Removed, Blocked, and Muted accounts is also turned off as well. And once these are turned off, you can just go back and then you'll be able to see the sensitive content on Twitter.